Hi guys, welcome back. This is your Johan. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about something which is in our lives but I tend to forget. Do you know what it is? It's the sun. So tell me, do you know about the sun and its energy? It helps our body to create a nutrient which is known as vitamin D, which helps our body, our bones and our blood cells and our immune system. Besides all this, we can also use the sun's energy to heat water. This technique is very old and has been used for many years. But it saves a lot of electricity. And by the word electricity, I just remembered that we can now get clean electricity by the help of solar panels. Have you ever seen a calculator with a small solar panel on it? I'm sure you've seen it. A solar power panel is also known as a photovoltaic panel, PV panels. Now I will explain the system to you on a video scribe. The two basic requirements for solar power system are sunlight and the grid electricity from the department. The energy from the sun gets captured by the solar panels. Solar panels are also known as photovoltaic panels. This power from the panel is then sent to the solar inverter. Basically, the job of the solar inverter is to convert the power from DC to AC, which is suitable for use at home. Then the AC power goes to the electricity meter, from where it is sent to the home. In case we require more power, then we can pull electricity from the grid also. Extra power generated from the solar system is also sent back to the grid, wherein we get paid back. The meter is a two-way meter, which basically checks how much solar power is generated, how much is used, and how much is exported. All this together comprises the on-grid solar power system. This whole system is interdependent on each other. In other words, if we don't have grid power, the whole system will also shut down. This is a safety feature where in case of grid power failure, there will be no power flowing back from the solar to the grid, thereby avoiding any harm to the staff working on the grid during maintenance or breakdown. So today I'm going to show you a little bigger scale of that. Let's go. Papa loves trees, that's why there are so many trees behind the house. Come, let's show you how electricity is produced. As you can see, there are lots of solar panels connected in groups. You can take a look. Let's go back down. So as you can see, there are wires connected to all the solar panels in groups, and it's connected to this inverter. Basically, the inverter's job is to take the electricity, convert it from DC to AC, and then it goes to a meter. Now I'll just show you the meter. Let's go back to the meter.
ए छोकरा रुक रे, मीटर पीछे है रे बाबा। ओ बाबा,
Electricity from the inverter comes to this meter and it goes to our house. In case if we need more electricity, we pull the electricity from the grid and it goes to our house. That's why this is called the two-way meter. This meter keeps check on how much electricity is produced, used and exported. Whatever electricity is gone to the department will pay us money. If you like this video, please subscribe, smash that like button and share. And also don't forget to click the notification bell and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. My IDs are right here. Till then, stay safe, stay home, stay connected. I'll see you soon. Bye.